Hey everyone, welcome back to OneTechNation. If you're an educator, content creator, or someone who wants to design high-quality lessons faster, today's video is for you. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through Edcafe AI, an amazing tool designed to simplify lesson planning, instructional design, content creation quizzes, and so on. By the end of this video, you'll know how to get started, how to navigate the platform, and how to create a complete AI-powered lesson plan in minutes. Let's dive in. Edcafe AI is an all-in-one AI platform that helps educators and creators build lesson plans, worksheets, assessments, and learning materials, all in a fraction of the time it normally takes. Now that you know what Edcafe AI is, let's walk through how to get started. Open your browser and head over to edcafe.ai. The interface is clean, welcoming, and designed for beginners. If this is your first time, click Sign Up. All you need is an email and password. If you already have an account, simply click Log In. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Edcafe dashboard. This is your central hub where you can create new lesson plans, generate worksheets, manage your saved projects, access templates. Take a quick moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Common mistake to avoid: don't skip the dashboard tour. Many beginners miss helpful tools because they jump straight into building without exploring. Alright, now that we're comfortable with the platform, let's create your first AI-powered lesson plan. On the left sidebar, select Lesson Plan, or click the Create button. This opens the lesson plan generator. Start by entering your lesson topic. For example, Introduction to Photosynthesis, or Basic Fractions for Grade 3. Keep your prompt clear and focused to help the AI produce an accurate lesson structure. In the next drop-downs, select the grade level, subject, and desired learning objectives. Edcafe AI is designed to adapt its tone and complexity based on the grade you choose. Edcafe lets you decide if you want lesson objectives, warm-up activity, step-by-step teaching guide, classroom activities, assessment questions. Toggle the features you want included. The more specific you are, the better the results. Click Generate and let Edcafe AI do the heavy lifting. In a few seconds, you'll see a complete lesson plan tailored to your topic and preferences. Next, review the AI-generated plan. Edit anything you'd like to customize your teaching style. This includes adjusting difficulty, editing examples, adding classroom notes, revising objectives. The tool is flexible, and you can regenerate sections anytime. Common mistake to avoid: don't copy the lesson exactly as generated without reviewing it. Customizing ensures it fits your class dynamics. Key takeaway: AI gives you the structure, you add your expertise. To take your lesson even further, Edcafe AI offers worksheet generation, quiz and assessment builder, export to PDF or Word, shareable lesson links, multimedia suggestions. Use these tools to create a complete teaching package for your students. Before we wrap up, here are some quick tips to help you get the most out of Edcafe AI. Tip 1. Always be specific with your prompts. Avoid vague entries like math lesson. Instead, try a 45-minute lesson on multiplying decimals for grade 5. Tip 2. Regenerate sections you don't like. Every click produces fresh ideas. Tip 3. Combine your expertise with the AI structure. The best lessons come from blending human teaching experience with AI efficiency. Tip 4. Save your projects for future reuse. This helps build your own personal curriculum library. And that's how easy it is to get started with Edcafe AI and create powerful lesson plans in minutes. Whether you're an educator, trainer, homeschooling parent, or content creator, this tool can save you hours and help you teach with confidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more tools, tips, and tutorials. I will drop link with special discount in the video description to start using edcafe.ai today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, creating quizzes.